Good morning students. In today's class we are going to see a vocabulary and phonic junction in the poem The Auto. In that the first topic is the vocabulary junction. In that they are given the rhyme scheme for you. Okay, what do you mean by rhyming words? So before going to the topic rhyme scheme, let us see about the rhyming words. What is a rhyming words? Words that ends with similar sounds are called as the rhyming words. Now see this line. An auto is a helpful thing. I love the way the motor hums. I love each cushion and each spring. The way it goes, the way it comes. In that the rhyming words are think, spring, hums, comes are the rhyming words in the poem. These words they are having a similar sounds. They are called as the rhyming words. Okay, next a rhyme scheme. Okay, what do you mean by rhyme scheme? It is the pattern in which the patterns in which the lines of a poem rhyme is called a rhyme scheme. Okay. So each new sound at the end of a line is given a letter starting with A, then B, and so on. If the sounds at the end of the following lines is similar to the sounds at the end of the first line, both the lines get the same letter. Okay, so what they are telling means, so you have to see the each and every line, the last letter. Okay, in each and every line you have to see the last word. Okay, you have to see the last word. So, for the each new sound, you have to give a letter, that is A, B, C, like that, and so on. Okay. Let me explain you with an example. See here, they have written the poem lines. That is the auto, the poem, the auto, they have written the first stanza. Okay. So, these are the lines from the first stanza. Okay. So here the words are written in bold, no? So that's what I have written here. So these are the in each line. So these are the last words. Okay, you have to see to the for the rhyme scheme. You have to see to the last word only. Okay, so for that I have written the last word. Okay, for each new sound you have to give a letter. Okay, now see, think. Think is a new sound. Okay, so for the each new sound, we have to give a letter, no? So I have given A. Okay, think A. The next one, hums. Hums, it's a new sound. So we are given B. The next, spring. Now see here, think and spring are rhyming words. I have written no, think and spring are the rhyming words. Okay, so here think and spring are the rhyming words. These both are rhyme with one another. They are having a similar sounds. Okay, what letter I have written for the word think? What letter I have written? A. No, so that letter you have to write here. Okay, for the spring A. The next one comes. So see here, comes and comes are the rhyming words. See, comes are the hums, comes are the rhyming words. Okay, these both rhyme with one another. You see? So what letter I have written for hums? That is B. So you have to write that letter B. Okay, clear for you? The next one, mine. It's a new sound. So we are giving a next alphabet. That is C. After B, what will come? C. Smile. Smile and smiles are the rhyming words. What letter I have written here? C. You have to write that letter C. Then day. It's a new sound. You are writing D letter. Play. Day and play are the rhyming words. Okay, they rhyme with one another. What letter I have written here? D. You have to write that letter. Okay. These lines, okay, these are the lines. These lines have the rhyming scheme. What are the rhyming scheme they have? You have to write it in order. Okay, first one. Like this, you have to write in a order. That is A, B, next A, B, next C, D, and D. These are the rhyming words. Okay, sorry, these are the rhyme scheme. These lines have the rhyme scheme. What is the rhyme scheme they have? That is A, B, C, C, D, D. You have to write it in a order. Okay? Students, have you clear with this? The next one is identify the rhyme scheme for the rest of the lines in the poem Da Auto. So, we have find out the rhyme scheme for the first stanza. Okay, you have to find out for the remaining lines. That is this for the second stanza and the third stanza. You have to find the rhyme scheme. Okay. Now, take the poem. So, in that I have taken the second and the third stanza. This is second stanza and this is the third stanza. In that each and every line I have written the last words. Okay. Now, we shall see the rhyme scheme. Okay. So, touch. Okay. Touch is the new sound. It is touch. New sound. Okay. We have for that I am writing a letter A. Much. Touch and much are the rhyming words. What letter I have written here? A. So I have to write that letter. Okay. Then end. End is a new sound. Friend. End and friend are the rhyming words. Okay. So I have to write B. Power. C. Hour. Hour and power are the rhyming words. What letter I have written here? C. I have to write that letter. Then new. It's a new sound. This is, so I am writing D. So view and new are the rhyming words. Okay, what letter I have written here? D. I have to write that letter. Okay, and this is the third stanza and we shall continue the alphabets. We have written A, B, C, D. Next we have to continue. Okay, stripes. E. Okay, the next one, lives. Okay, lives is a E only. Okay, lives and stripes are the rhyming words. They both rhyme with one another. They are the rhyming words. What letter I have written here? E. You have to write that letter. Okay, E. Then need. F. Okay, E, F, and speed and need are the rhyming ones. What letter I have written here? F. You have to write that letter. The next one, care. It's a G. It's a new sound. It is G. Okay, and care, despair and care are the rhyming words. Okay, what letter I have written here? G. You have to write that letter. G. The next one, sing, is a new sound, so we are writing H. Pink and sing are the rhyming words. So what letter I have written here? H. Okay. So we have written A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. So these lines have the rhyme scheme. What's the rhyme scheme they have? You have to write it in order. Okay, that is A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H. Okay. So these lines have the rhyme scheme A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H. Okay. So this is the rhyme scheme. Okay, students, have you clear with this? Now we shall see the second exercise. Now the second exercise is listen to the aspect of a few poems, identify the rhyme scheme, use them. Okay, so here they are given the few poems for you. For the poem you have to find the rhyme scheme. Okay, take page number 150. So in that the poem is given for you. Okay, that is first, second and the three. There are three poems. In that I have written the last word. Okay. Okay, in each and every line I have written the last words alone. Okay. So now we shall put the rhyme scheme. Now see here, night. Okay, it's a A. Moon, it's a new sound, B. Then light. Light and night are the rhyming words. So I have to put the letter. What I have written here? A. Then maybe. Maybe is a C. After B what will come? C. Then C, it's a new sound. So we are writing D. Then baby. Maybe and baby are the rhyming words. Okay. So What letter I have written here? C. Baby and maybe are the rhyming words. Then B. B and C are the rhyming words. What I have written here? D. Okay. So these lines have the rhyme scheme. What's the rhyme scheme they have? That is A, B, A, C, D, C, D. That is A, B, A, C, D, C, D. Okay. And the second poem, okay, see the second poem. So in that also I have written the last words, okay, in each and every line I have written the last words, okay. Now we shall put the rhyme scheme. That is in that before some lines are there, okay. I have written the last words alone. See here, climbed, A, way, B, looked, it's a new sound. So see, lay and way are the rhyming words. What I have written here? What letter? D. The next one. So after C, what will come? D will come. Lamp, D, rope. It's a new sound again. E, up. So it's a new sound. So F and yellow. Yellow and rope, they are the rhyming words. What letter I have written here? That is C. I have tried that letter E. Okay. So these lines have the rhyme scheme. What's the rhyme scheme they have? That is A, B, C, B, D, E, F, E. Okay. So this is the rhyming scheme. That is A, B, C, B, D, E, F, E. Okay. And you have to do the third one as homework. Okay. So see to that, and you have to write the rhyme scheme for the third poem. In phonics junction, we are going to learn one new sound. See here, the letter S in plural words can be pronounced in 3 different ways. Okay. Usually, how we are writing a plural form? By adding S or ES to the word, right? Okay. So the letter S, okay, the letter S in a plural form, they are having 3 different types of a pronunciation. Let us see that. In words that ends in B, D, G, L, M, N, R, W, Y, V sounds, the letter S is pronounced as Z. Okay. So if the word that ends in these sounds means the letter S, it's pronounced as Z. As in the word friends. Friends. So here see the word, here the letter, okay, these words, okay, that ends with the letter D, okay, here the words that ends with the D sound and it is pronounced as the letter S. After that the letter S is pronounced as Z, okay, as in the word friends. See the next one. In words that ends in P, T, K, F sounds, the plural S is pronounced as S. Okay. So the words that ends in these sounds means the letter S is pronounced as S. As in the word false. False. Okay. False. Here the S, it sounds as S. Okay, see the next one. In words that ends in CH, DG, SH, ZH, Z sounds, the letter S is pronounced as is. Okay, now the words that ends in these sounds means the letter S is pronounced as is. Example, watches. Okay. Students, have you clear with this? So we are having the letter S. Okay, the letter S in this plural form, they are having 3 different types of pronunciation. What are they? First one is Z. Next one S. And the last one is. Okay, in these ways the letter S is pronounced. Okay, now let us see some more examples. Now look at here, these are the examples. The letter S is pronounced in 3 different ways. Okay, first one is S, next one and the last one is, okay, in 3 different ways they are pronounced. Okay, see here, pronounced as S. The words are groups, treats, pigs. Okay, pronounced as Z, clubs, guards, dogs. Okay, the next one pronounced as is, buses, mazes, bushes. Okay, so students, have you clear with the 3 types of pronunciation? The letter S in its plural form, they are having a 3 different ways of pronunciation. Okay, they are is. Okay students, have you clear with this pronunciation? The homework for today is, now for the word bubbles is given below, connect that. Okay, so this is the homework for you. Okay, words in which S is pronounced as Z with the blue crayons. Okay, so for these, okay, for the pronounced as S. Okay, so to these words you have to connect with the blue crayons. Okay, words in which S is pronounced as Z with the green crayons. Okay, you have to connect these words with the green crayons. And the next ones, words with S is pronounced as is with the red crayons. Okay, you have to connect these words with the red crayons. Okay, so before that I have told you the words that ends with some sounds, the letter S is pronounced in, that is S, Z and S. Okay, you can also refer to that. Okay, in the box they are given no, that also you can refer to us. Okay, and one more important point is, and lines we should not intersect. Okay, here while you are joining the lines should not intersect. Okay, so this is the homework for you. Okay, what did we learn today? So we have seen about the rhyme scheme and also the phonics junction. Okay, in phonics junction the letter S is in its plural form. They are pronounced in 3 different ways. They are Z, is. Okay, so these 3 sounds we have learned today. So I hope you all understand this topic. So thank you students.